Guys, this is our Tuscan chicken and rice. Look at this. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Julie's kitchen. Today we're here with another recipe. So today we're going to be making Tuscan chicken, right? So here's the ingredient you need to make this delicious and creamy Tuscan chicken. So first we're gonna get our ingredient ready. So I've just washed the mushroom, so I'm just gonna slide it now. We're gonna cut our mushroom. Just washed it. Okay, that's our mushroom. I'm just gonna cut our garlic. So we're gonna slide our spring onions, green onion if you prefer, spring onions. So I'm just getting my spinach ready. So I don't normally like this thing, so I take it off from the spinach before I wash it. So I just take this off, that one. Some people might leave it, but I normally don't like it. I just take it off. That's it. So we're just gonna chop our sun-dried tomatoes. Get it ready as well. I need some muscles for this one. So I'm gonna take it out from the oil. This is tomato, you just dried. They dry it in the sun. So you're just gonna chop it. So we're gonna use 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. So the rest I'm gonna put it back. It is quite a lot. So I've washed my chicken here. I'm just gonna season it with salt and pepper. Season it with salt and pepper. Some salt. Some black pepper. There's some garlic, ground garlic. Okay, that's our chicken. So we're gonna put a bit of butter and add a bit of olive oil to fry our chicken. Medium heat. So we're just gonna put our chicken in there. So you put your fire from medium heat. So we're gonna fry our chicken for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna put 4 minutes. Yeah. So we're gonna stir our chicken after like 5 minutes. Stir it the other side. Stir it the other side and leave it for another 5 minutes to cook the both side. Yeah. So guys, this is our chicken. So I have to add a minute because it was no cooking. So just cook your chicken until you see like it's brownish, because now it's getting brown. Till you see it's brownish, then you take it off and go to the next step. So if you think that it's not enough oil, you can add 1 tablespoon to it, but mine I think is enough. I'm just gonna put a mushroom in there and then just cook it for like 5 to 7 minutes or until it's softened. Okay, now our mushroom looks soft and brown. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna add our sun-dried tomatoes, and then we're gonna add our spring onion, and then we're gonna add our garlic, then we're gonna add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Okay. And stir it for 1 to 2 minutes or until you can see your garlic is softened. This is smelled so nice. Smell delicious. It smells so good. So our mushroom and dry sun tomato have been cooking for like 2 minutes now. So now we're gonna add our whipping cream. So we're gonna put 1 cup, 1.5 cup of whipping cream. 1.5. This is the half. So that's 1.5 cup. And then we're gonna stir it together. Okay, so we're gonna put our cheese, 1/2 cup of cheese. Just gonna measure it. We can add our cheese. And stir it. Let it boil a little bit. And then taste the salt. Add a bit of salt. And a bit of pepper. Black pepper, black pepper. And stir it for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna add our spinach. 2 cups of spinach. And then stir it until everything is combined. Alright, just stir it. Comment down below if you like this video. If you're gonna try this recipe, let us know how it went. But it smells so good, guys. It smells so delicious. So we're gonna add our chicken now. There we go. The smell is just so good. So just put your sauce on top of the chicken, just to mix it together. The smell, I just want to eat. The sauce. So our chicken Tuscan is ready. Tuscan. Right, so we're gonna test. So you're gonna have it with rice. You guys should know me by now. I love rice. So we're gonna test it with rice. And put some sauce. Oh, the smell is just good, man. It smells so good. Guys, this is our Tuscan chicken and rice. Look at this. Wow. It's so nice. Time to taste, guys. Time to taste. Let's taste. Yes, time to taste. Here we go. The first bite goes to you guys. Yes. Mmm. 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 This is so nice, guys. It's nice. It's nice. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and then if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscription button. And God bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye.